Well, hey there everyone. I want to share a little trick with the new guys in flatbedding and open deck trucking. These guys stack this stuff up on the trailer and I need to get some straps in between each tier to help prevent this stuff from moving backward or forward. I got this baling wire that I scored from a maintenance guy at a pilot truck stop. It's for the cardboard baler. And then I take one of these dingleberries that I got. I use them to wrap up the excess for my 2-inch straps, and I put it through the baling wire like that, and then I fish it between one of the two tiers that I'm gonna be pulling my straps through. See what I'm doing there? Once you get it to the other side, you go the other side, pull it through, and you're gonna hook your hook of the strap, or just one end of the strap, and pull it through to the other side like this. Now I've got a belly wrap going on here. That's what I'm doing there. And I did that with all 3 tiers using the same method, going back and forth over and over to make a belly wrap. If you want me to go in more depth about a belly wrap and how I belly wrap, just let me know in the comments section. Now, that's as safe as I can get with this. Prevent that shit from moving backward or forward. Let me know if this helped you out in the comments. Appreciate you. Bye.